For the 2A attorney, Mr. Andrew Couture.
Good afternoon, my fellow patriots. How's everybody doing today? So yes, I am the 2A attorney, and for the past week I've been thinking about what am I going to say? What more could be said? I mean, we've had some great speakers. What have we learned over the course of the past few months? Government does not give a crap about your rights. Let's face it.
True.
So, when I heard that Charlie Baker, first, he closed the gun stores and the ranges. But before that, he said, yeah, they were okay to be open. It was after a tweet by Maura Healey that said, gun stores are not an essential service. 3 hours after his initial decree, he closed them. Obviously, according to Judge Woodlock, who was our federal judge, he said either there's a strong liquor lobby in Massachusetts or this is completely political. And it was at that point that I saw the Second Amendment in Massachusetts take a turn. And we have to fight. We have to continue this fight, and the fight's not over. The fight is not over. There are still cities and towns within the Commonwealth that you cannot apply to get your license. They have shut the licensing process down, and we need to overturn that now. And that's what I'm working on.
All right.
So, when I finally decided that I was going to take this task on, I sent Charlie Baker a letter, giving him fair notice. Hey, you're about to be kicked in the privates if you don't knock it off. I got no response. It was at that point that Gun Owners of America called me. And they said, we want to join on to your lawsuit. And I said, thank you. Thank you. I was initially hesitant, I will say that. It's a big undertaking. But you know what? It's been fun. Repeatedly kicking Charlie Baker and Maura Healey right in the front. And I'll do it again. And I'll continue to do it. I'm not going to stop fighting for our Second Amendment right. When I was sworn in as an attorney, I took an oath to defend the Constitution. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going to back down like all the other attorneys out there that said, no, no, no. He's the governor. He's looking out for us. No, he's not. This was a completely political move against people that I consider friends, family. And they were just going to let them go bankrupt. That was the intent of what they were doing. They wanted to bankrupt the Second Amendment in Massachusetts. And we all have to stand up and say, there's no way that you can bankrupt the Second Amendment in Massachusetts. It's here, it's strong, and it will continue to be here. So, I want to thank everybody for coming. This was brief, I know. Maybe you were expecting a little bit more out of me, but take a look at the 2A attorney page. That's where my voice is, and I speak loudly, and I'm not going to shut up.
Yay!
Thank you, everybody.